Write your first Hello World program. What does Hello World program mean? A Hello World program is the simplest program you can write. It only prints the text Hello World on the screen. It is usually the first program people write when learning any programming language. In simple words, Hello World program equals a test program to check that coding works. It means a Hello World program is a very small program, used to learn basic syntax, used to test your setup, used to understand how output works. So, write code means run program means see Hello World on screen. Why it matters. Without writing a first program, crossmark you don't know if your tools work. Crossmark you don't know if code runs correctly. Crossmark learning feels abstract. With a Hello World program, checkmark confirms your tools are installed. Checkmark shows code can run. Checkmark builds confidence. Checkmark starts your programming journey. What you learn from Hello World. From this small program, you learn how to write code, how to run a program, how output is displayed, how programs are structured, how computer follows instructions. Even though it is simple, it teaches. Input means code means output. How a Hello World program works. Step by step. Open your code editor or IDE. Create a new file. Write a simple print statement. Save the file. Run the program. See Hello World on the screen. Flow. Write means save means run means output. What happens behind the scenes? Your code is written in a programming language. Compiler or interpreter reads it. It converts it to machine code. CPU executes the instruction. Text appears on screen. So, code means translator means CPU means screen. Real-life analogy. Hello World program is like saying hello when learning a new language globe. You don't start with long sentences. You start with one simple word. Same with programming. First program equals Hello World. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners may forget to save the file, run the wrong file, misspell commands, use wrong symbols, forget brackets or quotes. These happen because programming needs exact instructions. Good practices for first program. Checkmark type code carefully. Checkmark use correct symbols. Checkmark save before running. Checkmark run and check output. Checkmark try changing the message. Example. Change Hello World to my first program. Important point. The goal of Hello World is not complexity. The goal is checkmark to see output. Checkmark to prove setup works. Checkmark to feel successful. Checkmark to start learning. Simple definition. Hello World program equals the first simple program that prints a message to the screen to show that coding works. Summary. Hello World program. Checkmark is the first step in programming. Checkmark tests your setup. Checkmark teaches basic structure. Checkmark builds confidence. Checkmark shows how output works. Without it, crossmark hard to know if things work. Crossmark no clear starting point. With it, checkmark you begin your coding journey. Checkmark you see real results. Checkmark you are ready for next topics.